In this video, I'll show you my top tips for working with stairs in the Room Sketcher app. When building a multi-level project, I recommend you first add stairs to the lower level and then create the upper level based on the floor below. Here's the lower level of my project, and I plan to add the stairs here. In Room Sketcher, stairs are considered built-in items like windows and doors, so you want to be in Windows, etc. mode. Open the Stairs category. As you hover over a set of stairs, you can see its default size and number of steps. It's a good idea to choose one that's close to your desired size. Click a set of stairs to select it and click to place it on the floor plan. Use these arrows to rotate the stairs, and you can drag to move it into place. The red dot indicates the top of the stairs. Over here in Properties, you can flip the stairs like this. You can also adjust their exact size here. Click Floor to Ceiling to automatically adjust the stair height to the height of your walls. For type, choose Above Floor for stairs going up from the floor, Below Floor for stairs going down from the floor, and Up and Down if you're working on a middle floor of a building and you want a staircase going up as well as a staircase going down. You can also decide whether to show a left railing or a right railing. I want just a left railing, so I'll clear Show Right Railing. Use these Best Fit options if you've placed stairs in an enclosed area. For example, this space is enclosed by 3 walls. When I click Best Fit Width, the stair adjusts automatically. Paid subscribers can customize the stair's color and materials using Replace Materials. Here are some of the elements that you can customize. The railing structure, including the baluster or columns, the handrail and the newel or post at the head or foot of the stairs, the riser, the stringer or structural support for the treads and risers, and the tread or part you step on. Let's customize our stair. Under Replace Materials, I'll choose Tread. You can browse or search for items. I'll search for a wood, choose this one, and click Apply. Continue to choose a color or material for any other element, or leave them at the default, which is white. To visualize the stairs, move the camera into place and double-click to take a snapshot. And they look good. Now let's create the upper floor or level based on the level we just created. Click Level, and then New Level. Clear the Include Furniture setting, and click the picture of the previous floor to use it as a template. It will include your stair customizations. Open Windows, etc. mode, and click the stairs to see the properties over here on the right. For type, click Below Floor. This means that the stairs will be going down. Next, customize the walls, fixture, and furniture on the upper floor. Here's mine. You'll want to add a railing to the stair opening on the upper floor. Open Walls mode and click the Divider tool. Draw a divider around the stairwell opening where the railing will be placed. Click Select, click a divider line, and then click Railing. Click a railing to select it, and then click Apply. Repeat this for any other railing. You can use the camera to take a snapshot. Here it is. From here, you can turn your snapshot into a 3D photo, or use the yellow menu and generate 2D or 3D floor plans. Once you've generated floor plans, click Save to Disk, and then choose Letterhead Combined to print both levels to scale on one page. Here's the 2D, and here are the 3D floor plans. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to roomsketcher.com.